welcome back to another episode of Education Connection. Miss Swanson is on vacation, so filling in for her is none other than me, Miss McQueenie. Today, we'll be joining Mr. Clady and his students over in the gym, where they are working on the E in STEAM, which stands for engineering. His gym class is designing their own mini golf courses using all aspects of engineering like force and angles and pendulums, you name it. So let's go check it out.
So today we are going to build our own miniature golf course. Every group is going to get a worksheet. On this worksheet are different suggestions that you can use to help create your obstacle. So the first one is having a theme. The next one is texture. The next one is elevation. Your obstacle must have some elevation. What's elevation? Ava?
Down.
Up or down, right? Some elevation. And then bonus points if you can do this. Build a ramp of some sort. Angle, you must have an angle. You drew one, good. So it must bounce off of something or go against a corner maybe. That would be a good angle. If you can find a way to have a moving part in your obstacle, bonus points. Who can give me an example of a moving part that you might see in a mini golf? When something goes back and forth? Pendulum, a pendulum.
So that was Mr. Clady's class, who has been working on the E in STEAM, which stands for engineering. They just showed us their golf courses that they made. Thank you very much, Mr. Clady, and we'll see you next week for another episode of Education Connection. Bye, everybody.